Super Doppler 10, tracking a developing winter storm.
We're here keeping you informed, closely monitoring changing conditions, storm totals, and big local impacts.
Preparing you through it all.
This is called the Salt Dome.
One team covering every angle. Instant updates on all your devices and streaming on WAVY Plus. Before, during, and after the storm. Super Doppler 10, on your side.